So here we have the Audi TT on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can of course see that it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well, along with that 50-50 split folding rear seat so that you can increase this space further should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right-hand side, and the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the top. Also over on that right-hand side, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 72,327. And in the centre, at the moment, it's showing us what radio station is being played, the external temperature, and at the bottom there, what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are, of course, in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left and right hand sides we have stereo controls for the car. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals are so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then over in the centre we have the main screen for the car. So along the bottom here you've got various options. As you can see, we are on the radio one at the moment. These 4 buttons here relate to the 4 corners of the screen, and this dial will rotate to change, as you can see, what is being selected, if you like, on the main screen. So that top right hand corner will give us waveband, where you'll see we've got FM, medium wave and long wave radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button, and again top right hand corner for source will show you the different ways in which you can listen to your music, and they include Audi's multimedia interface, so lots of devices can be connected up to that. And then at the bottom also, we've got our telephone, obviously, where you can pair your phone up, and we've got satellite navigation. Bottom left-hand corner will give us the map, where, as you can see, when that loads up, that is a full colour screen. A really easy system to use as well. Below that, we then have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that button turns it off and on again. You can hit auto should you wish to. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air, which you can override to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. This car also has a heated driver seat and a heated passenger seat as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.